lay down.
Okay. Lay down.
I don't want to be the only one.
Guys, I got a Texas Hold'em, bro.
So hold it. It'd be like if I was drunk, I would. That got straight. Dude, this is still in the Dylan, are you having fun yet?
Mm-hmm.
I wish Lorenzo was here. I know, me too. You know, in a way, I kind of wish my baby was here, but then yeah.
She'd be freaking out.
What?
I think she'd be freaking out.
No, you should have seen her when we went to the Rose Festival when they had the fireworks there. She was loving it.
But we're kind of close to the bangs right here.
I know. It's like a little parade. That's a check. Woo! That was pretty. I got it right before. Damn it. Nothing. Did one of those canisters finally blow up? Are you okay? Let's just grab the whole plant. I got up for my chair got cold.
She's really freaking out.
Who? The dog.
Oh.
Yeah. He's like, ooh, the paparazzi, Dylan. Oh, what? Are you getting buried over there? No, you were doing that. Dylan goes watch today. It's in the bottom of those suckers.
And it did.
It's sitting right close. I know.
Look at that circle. Look at that circle of smoke. You see that circle?
Mhm.
Oh, that's sad. You see this? You see what I'm saying?
Be careful, baby, right there. A little cherry. I don't know what you call it. Or is that what you call it? Pick it up! I got a ball! Oh! That seems like a cackle and answer.